Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. I'm getting ready to head out. It's pretty humid and muggy, but at least it's not raining. And weather in New York has just been terrible. Like, it's extremely humid and hot and muggy and rainy all the time. Every weekend was just raining. It's impossible. But at least this weekend, yesterday it poured, but at least in the evening it was fine. And today it looks like it's not raining, which I'm grateful for. So I wanted to quickly show you what I'm wearing. I think it's cute. Okay, so I have this cute top by Kate Spade. It's like crocheted or something, very summery, and has cute color. I think it's even, I think I could even wear it to work with like maybe black trousers or something, or even on a casual Friday I could even wear it like this. I think it's kind of cute. A pair of denim from Mango, and I got 2 pairs of Mango mom jeans, and I showed you the other pair. I love these have no stretch though. They kind of stretched out a tiny bit, but in terms of fit I think they're awesome. They're very high-waisted. It's like this light wash. I really like them. Very comfortable, like super easy to wear. I've been wearing them a ton since I got them. And I also have my new Ivanka Trump, well, not so new anymore, I think I showed them somewhere. Ivanka Trump Chanel dupes, and these are amazing, you guys. I highly recommend. I know there are a lot of dupes on the market. I haven't tried that many, but these are so comfortable. I actually wear them. I commute in them to work, and it's like an hour 15 minutes commute, so I wear them a ton. They're so cute. They look amazing on. They're so comfy. I didn't even need to break them in. I highly recommend. I really love these shoes. They have it in so many colors. I want to buy a couple more colors because it's just so cute. And very, like, if you want to try the trend but you don't want to splurge on, you know, Chanel's, because they're like, I don't know, $1,000 or something like that. These are 60 bucks on Amazon. They also have them on Macy's. Like, a lot of retailers carry them. I wouldn't buy them from Ivanka Trump website because I checked and they were like full price there, but everywhere else they're on sale. But I think a little bit of googling will get you there. And I'm also wearing my new, I think I mentioned in one of my hauls that I got an exciting package but didn't actually show what it is. I don't know why. It's a Chloe Faye backpack in this beautiful light gray color. I mean, how beautiful is this color? Hope, can you see? Oh, it's like the lighting is, you know, but it's just beautiful. And I love this top handle bit. I'm just so in love with it. I think it goes perfectly with so many colors. I think I can wear it like with so much stuff. I wanted to wear it, I've had it for like 2 months. I wanted to wear it so bad, but what? Because it has a suede bit at the top, you know, I'm afraid to wear it if it's like raining, obviously. But today it's not supposed to rain, just cloudy, so I'm doing this. Oh, also yesterday, just wanted to mention, we went to this place, it's called Boucherie. We went to West Village. Oh my god, you guys, if you're in Manhattan, you have to try it. The best, it's French and it's kind of pricey, but it's so good. It's the best. I had a steak sandwich and Kathy had salmon eggs Benedict. It was the best, like the best brunch we had, and we had our fair share of brunches. So yeah, how do we like it? I don't know, this whole thing with the mirror. I mean, we got the mirror, but Andy needs to mount it somewhere. We can't find the spot, so I'm just like leaning it against the door. We also got a new coffee table because our old one is gigantic, and Andy got this new couch that's giant. So basically in the living room we have no space. It's just couch and coffee table, and you just kind of squeeze between the two. So we got a smaller coffee table to fit the size of the living room a little better. Hopefully it's arriving soon, because honestly I just feel overwhelmed with furniture. And we need to put this mirror somewhere, because right now okay, I'm rambling. Also, how cute is this fan? I put it as a decoration. I think it fits perfectly. Kathy got it from China. So cool. I'm gonna run out. I'm late as always. Bye. Good morning. It is Sunday and I am looking a little crazy, but I went to sleep with wet hair. I can't let you out every time. There are people in the hallway, so I don't want him to like I'm sorry, baby. Okay, let's try to ignore that. So yesterday we went for barbecue to Kathy's place. It was so much fun. We had a lot of good food, but today I'm feeling a little worse for the wear. So what I decided to do is bust out my juicer, which is a macerating juicer, which is like low, it's very slow, so it does not oxidize your juice. Okay, you have to see this. Ah, what do you want? What is it? Yeah, I'm not sure either, but let me show you. So this is my juice station. I decided to kind of to boost my immunity and just do something good for my health. So I'm making vegetable juice. I don't really have that many greens. I usually either like to make vegetable juice or green juice, not fruit juice, just because I love eating fruit and it can be a little high in sugar, although I'm not too concerned about that with fruits and veg. But anyways, so what I have here is carrots, celery, beets, some ginger. I also have some parsley and dill and lemons and limes, and I already started. I have this big jar that I'm hoping to fill, and apartment is a bit of a mess, but it was a pretty busy week, so I'm gonna take care of it little by little. So anyways, this is gonna be my breakfast. I already had my lemon water, and yeah, I'm gonna have a nice tall glass of this juice or two, and the rest I'll leave for Andy for when he comes. But I think this is gonna make a big jug. I'm hoping to fill up this entire jug of with juice. We'll see how it goes. I'll check in with you once I'm done. Okay, and we are all done. I have this entire jug of, this is IKEA jug of juice, and I also have a little bit left here, and I have this glass that I'm going to drink. And also when I washed the juicer, I never really put it in the dishwasher, just because I don't want any like crazy detergent. I don't even use any crazy soaps or anything, because all it is just really some like vegetables. There's no oils, nothing like that needs to be washed out. And I always like wash this part of my juicer that has that grate that presses the juice out with the brush. Yeah, and I just air dry it. It's the best way for me to do it. Okay, the moment of truth. I know it's gonna be strong. I know it's gonna be what? It's gonna be some serious juice, but it's good. It's spicy from ginger and lemon, like has a little bit of acidity, but not a whole lot. It has a bit of sweetness from like carrots and beets, but very mild, I would say. Pretty mild, like pretty neutral. It's not terribly green. I mean, I did put parsley and dill in there. It's very thick, so I would just sip on it. It's almost like, can you see the texture? It's very thick. So I'm gonna sip on this. I'm gonna finish this glass and maybe have a little more, finish whatever's in this little jug. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm really not feeling super amazing today. I just wanna, this cat is like crazy. I just spent half an hour trying to get him home from the hallway. But anyways, I'm just gonna hang out. I'm gonna clean up the apartment, and we'll see what I come up with for lunch. I want to do like a frittata or something like that with some pak choy that I bought during the weekend. I just never got a chance to use. You are so rude. So rude. Anyways, yeah, maybe we can catch up a little later today. I'm feeling like documenting the day. Andy will be home later today, so I'm sure he'll enjoy the juice too. I wouldn't leave it in the fridge for too long, just because it loses all its qualities. But I understand that a lot of people have time constraints and whatnot, so if you make it the night before, I think it's still fine. I mean, it's not going to be as fresh and amazing, but I would put some lemon or something like that that helps with oxidizing. Yeah, I'd say overnight juice is better than no juice. And I don't know, I don't think we can finish it all today. Maybe like throughout the day we'll just sip on it. And yeah, but definitely within 24 hours I would say is best. Okay guys, see you later. Okay, so it's lunchtime. I put a little bit of makeup because I think we're gonna go out for dinner later today, but I wanted to show you what I made. I really wanted a frittata, I don't know why, so I'm gonna make a frittata with a giant pile of salad, because when we go out for dinner today I don't want to be too hungry, so that I end up ordering like everything on the menu. I actually have a YouTube video playing, so if you can hear it, I'm sorry, but it's not too loud. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my frittata. Okay, so this is my frittata. It has a ton of vegetables. I put potatoes, onions, bok choy, peppers, and oh, here it is. You can see it's pretty deep. Yeah, looks delicious. And I'm gonna pick it up with me for lunch tomorrow with a little bit of salad as well. And I put a whole head of lettuce. Yeah, I need some greens today. I haven't really had any food yet, and it's like, I don't know, maybe 2-3. And then I have some pesto that I made. Haha. Yeah, it's really good and it lasts in the fridge for a while, so I'm gonna have that. And looks delicious. Kind of all blends in, but you can see it here. It's really easy to make, to just break eggs. I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese as well. It's quite tasty. Yep.